Somebody's buying bolo. Somebody's buying bolo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
So you guys, this segment of the video has been sponsored by Ustarbiz, and they have sent me a couple of items to unbox in the video today. They have sent me a Dior bag and a VCA necklace, and I absolutely love the items I chose. But just to tell you a little more about the brand itself, they are a replica company and they deal with one-to-one replicas of amazing designer bags, but they also have these items at really subsidized rates. I will leave a screenshot of their website on the screen so you get to see all the amazing items they have, and they deliver worldwide. They have offered my subscribers a discount, and once you use my discount code as displayed on your screen, you stand a chance to benefit from discounts on all your purchases on their website. These are the two items they have sent me. They have sent me this Dior bag. This is one of the range of the Lady Dior bags that I chose, and also this Cartier necklace. First of all, I'm going to be unboxing this necklace because I have had them on my mind for quite some time. And you guys, A for packaging, it comes exactly like the replica. This is the Cartier a necklace. You see that there's a little lever on there, so you just press that and the box opens up. Absolutely love. Bless this in Jesus' name. Can you see that, you guys? You can even double it. So let's unbox the bag. I decided to pick this one because I have a pair of shoes. I have a pair of pink shoes and I don't have a pink bag to go with it. So the bag itself comes in a plastic bag as well as a custom Dior bag, Dior dust bag. You guys, I'm in love. I am in love. Let me get rid of all this packaging. So the link to their website along with the link to this particular bag will be in my description box. You guys know what to do. Go on there, go on their website. Also, do not forget to use my discount code, simply Tola Lusi, and patronize them as well. I'm sure you guys will fall in love with them. And that is it, you guys. Let's get on with the rest of today's video. Alright, so today's haul is rather unusual, and that's because I have been trying the weekly shopping for a while now. The OGs on the channel will probably know that by now. So what we've gone ahead to do in today's video is we've gone to 3 stores. I'll tell you more about that later in the video, and we're also prepping for my son's birthday. Do well to click on that subscribe button and let's get started. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Omotola welcoming you back to our lovely space. If this is your first time here, please do well to click on the subscribe button and remember to turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video, which is at least once every week. Alright, so this is that time of the month where I show you what we are getting for the month in terms of our grocery haul. We are a family of 4 if this is your first time here, and we tend to get things in bulk at the start of the month or towards the end of the month and just kind of prep our way as the week goes. So anyway, you guys, in today's haul we have gone to Farm Foods. You guys know that I shop in Farm Foods like no man's business. So Farm Foods is a place where I go to get freezer items, and they have really good deals. I get massive deals there, and you also get cash back when you shop. We've also gone to Sainsbury and an Afro-Caribbean shop. So that's about 3 stores in today's haul. So as usual, the prices will be on the screen so you guys can get to see all the items that we've got along with their prices. And yes, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're starting off with this bag of fresh fries. We got this 2 in a combo, and this is the 1.9 kg. So this can be enough for a month. This can spill over to a month and a half. depending on how we portion our food. So we've gotten 2 packs of the thin cut French fries, and that's that. Over here we have some frozen fruits. We have the strawberry, mango, and pineapple. If you follow my food channel, you know how I utilize these. I put this in my smoothies along with some other things. So we have 3 packs of them, and this came through in a combo, so it's 3 for the price of 1. So it came through in a combo, so it was, I think, 3 for £6. So that came to about £2 per pack. Moving on to our meat for the month. I didn't get the chicken wings that I usually get, but I was able to get the drumstick for the combo. So I got three packs for £10, and this is the 2.4 kg. So there is about, I'm not sure, but maybe about 15 to 20 drumsticks in 1 pack, and so 3 of that is what we got for £10. So also we got my trusty kitchen towel, and this thing has such an amazing smell, so I always try to get them anytime I'm in farm foods. I also picked up 2 packs of their farm food eggs. Although the eggs are small, they are a great price. They come at a great price, so I always try to get them anytime I'm in farm foods. Salted caramel is the ice cream we picked up. We picked this one up at Sainsbury, and I think it was £3 or £2.50. Can't remember for that one. We also decided to try breaded onion rings. You guys, if you eat onion rings and you know of any good brands, please suggest them in the comment section. I miss really good onion rings from South Africa, and we haven't really found the one that tastes right. So we're trying this one out. I'll let you guys know how it tastes in case we try it before this video goes up. We also picked up the butter chicken nuggets. We usually get these 3 for £10 in a combo, but they weren't on sales at the moment, so this pack was about I think £4 or so. I can't remember, but the price will be on the screen. So we couldn't get the combo, but we were able to pick this one up. So hopefully before we finish this pack, the sales will be on and we can go and pick up the 3 for £10. We're also trying out these red potatoes. We usually get the normal Irish potatoes, but we're trying this red potatoes this month. We also got this pack of really big apples, and this was 99p at Farm Foods. This came in a combo. For cereal this month, the boys have some cereal left over from last month, and we're just buying this to top up what they have, so it should be able to last them for this month. So we bought them 2 packs of the Cheerios. They came 2 for £5, and that was the combo that we got. I couldn't find really good tomatoes at the African store, so I was only able to get these 2 packs at Sainsbury. One was £1.25, and then I was able to pick up this plain chocolate rolls. This is very nice, I think, and they're individually packed, so they're good for snack time and things like that. So in case you guys watched my last vlog, I told you that I've been stuck on this red onion and chive bagel, and this is something that I absolutely love to have in the mornings or in the afternoons when I eat. We also picked up this bottle brush. This is for bottles, our water bottles and cups, deep cups and things like that. Also, we picked up a pack of spaghetti. This is the one we get at Farm Foods, and it's £1 and change. We also picked up the apple mango juice from Sainsbury. I love anything that has mango in it. And I also picked up this pack of Innocent orange juice with bits for my smoothies. At the African store, I picked up 2 packs of these peppers for soup, stews, jollof rice and things. This was £1.99 per pack. This smooth peanut butter is from Sainsbury. I bought this for bread and rice cakes and things like that. Also, we got the Cadbury chocolate spread. This is for toasts in the mornings. And yes, I got this green chilies because I'll be making fried rice in the course of the week. It's my baby boy's birthday in tomorrow, and I want to make some fried rice. I'll show you how I use this. Please look out for my fried rice recipe. It is a banger. I picked up some green pepper. I picked up some green pepper for the jollof fried rice. And yes, these 2 large sweet onions. I have some onions at home, but I saw these ones at the Afro-Caribbean store and I had to pick them. They're really big, really juicy. And yeah, I need these to cook my fried rice. And yes, what is a birthday without a birthday cake? So I picked this one up for my baby boy. He wanted a blue cake, but I wasn't able to get the blue cake I saw. Wasn't looking worthy of my baby boy. So I picked this one up. I usually try to make their cakes for them for their birthdays, but strength and power and time is not on my side this time around. So I bought the store-bought one. You can tell that we did not go all out like we usually do in subsequent videos, and that's because I still have some stock. I didn't get anything like rice, cereal or grain, and that's because we still have some of these things. Yeah, so some of the other condiments that we would usually get in other food halls, we didn't get in this particular haul because we still have stock. All right, you guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you stick around for the rest of the vlog. Now, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray!
Hooray!
Hip hip
Hooray!
And I know it's his birthday.
Daniel, how old are you?
4.
4. You're 4 years old. So for our low-key birthday, all we did was just package party packs for him to take to his school for his classmates, and I had to go to work, so my husband dropped this off with him. And then I also got him this ribbon that says it's my birthday, and he put this on his shirt, and that was all we did for school. And then the next day we sang for him, he cut his cake, and we just had fun as a family.
You better stop that.
You stop that.
You stop that.
You stop that. I said you stop that. Wooga, wooga, wooga. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray. Everybody, good kisses for Dan Dan.